Welcome back to another episode of Cool Guy Stuff with your man Mike, the Cool Guy. And today, I'm going to show you how to change an inline fuel filter. Okay, so this is our 1990 Ford F-150 that we've nicknamed Chainsaw John because of the back there. Anyways, so we bought this thing not too long ago, and it's got all new plugs, cap, coil, plug, wires, all that stuff. So I'm pretty sure the reason this thing's not running right, it's probably not going to be ignition. So the next thing I checked was the air filter, which is in here, right? And the air filter is also new, it's nice and clean, so I suspect that these people had issue getting this truck to run properly, and they changed all of these easy to do things. So the next step is fuel. So we're going to trace the fuel lines, figure out where they go. The fuel filter is going to be under the back cab. Hey, Ethan. Okay, I've got my handy dandy carpet laid out. I'm going to get under here and find that filter. Okay, so following the lines along there, and that thing right there, that big canister. Oh, this right here, that's our inline fuel filter. You see these white clips right here? These clips pull out. Should be one on either side. And then you disconnect the lines. At the ends, this thing pops out. Grab a bucket. And we have our new fuel filter. That's too big. That thing will probably do. Screwdriver for the clips. Alright guys, so I'm laying in here on my back, and I've got the bucket right here. I'm just going to rest it beside me under the filter. Then you can see this pops off of there like that. And it's got these little clips. Very, very simple. I might not even need the screwdriver. I might be able to just push these out with my thumb. Not so much. Okay. Yeah. Alright, got the screwdriver. Alright, I'm just going to wedge the screwdriver in there like that. Okay. There should be new clips that come with the new filter, but just in case, try not to break these. There we go. There. That's one. The other one's on the other side here. It's going to be a little harder for you to see it, but it's there. Same difference. Pop that off. There we go. Okay. And then this should slide out of there. Okay, and there comes the fuel. This is why we have the bucket. Oh, missing the bucket a little bit. That's alright. There we go. Old one's out. Time for the new one. Make sure that they look the same, because now's your chance to replace it. Oh yes. And there are two new clips that came with it. Alright. Alright. Wonderful. Get this out of the bag. And now you will note, it says on here, flow with an arrow. Okay, and the fuel flows obviously from the tank at the back to the engine up front, so it goes in like this. Okay, whoop. Pop that in there, put a new clip on it. Alright, that's all done. Oh, come on now. Put that back on there. There we go. Clipped in. Alright, we're ready for a test drive. So this fuel filter here, this is a fine particle filter. So usually there's a filter inside the gas tank. That's a coarse filter. So that big one filters out stuff like leaves, whatever else, junk, and then as the fuel's flowing through the line, it goes through this to make sure there's no small particles of dirt and stuff that would get clogged up in injectors or inside carburetor venturis and things like that. So hopefully this is the answer to our problems with the rough running truck. If not, I'll be pulling the gas tank. Alright, test drive time. Yeah, truck's running way better. Stop signs. So when I was pulling up the stop signs before, the truck would stall out. Here we are, stopped. It's idling just fine. Well, I'd call that fixed. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Simple fuel filter, there it is, all done. Truck's running great. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you guys on the next one with cool guy stuff and your man, Mike, the cool guy. Catch you later.